Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is interview question. Are you willing to make sacrifices for this company? Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes HRs ask this very crucial question that are you willing to make sacrifices for their organization? What is the best answer to this question? Making sacrifices for the organization is good. It is required. Sometimes you need to work for extra hours in order to complete the projects. In reference to this, I will say that today we are having 24 by 7 atmosphere. We are having 24 by 7 work atmosphere in corporate sector. People work in 12 hours shift, 15 hours shift. Why it is happening? Because the requirements of organizations are like that. And before hiring you as an employee, organization already tells you in advance that what are the timing criteria of the company. What are the work hours of the company? And only if you are willing to work according to the working hours of the company, only then you sign the offer letter. So, before hiring you, organization never hides anything from you. So, working for late night hours, working 24 by 7, it is nothing wrong. It all depends on the kind of task which the company has undertaken, and according to that task the time schedule is decided. So if you are working for extra hours, you are working during night time, you are sacrificing your time, and that is good, that is fine. So if the organization says that are you willing to make sacrifices for us, of course I am willing to make sacrifices for you, but not on behalf of my own ethical and moral values. I am willing to make sacrifices for you, but not on the basis of what you want me to do, but on the basis of my own ethical and moral values. If I think that somewhere your policies are going against my ethical and moral values, it is better I will leave the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the real meaning of making sacrifices for the organization? Making sacrifices for the organization means you must devote extra time for the betterment of the organization. For running organizations' crucial projects in a more better way, if you are devoting more time, that is fine, that is good. And that shows your level of dedication towards your company, which is a requirement. But if there is something which you think is ethically not good, which you think that it is morally not good, it is not according to your personal values, you are not going to follow them. And even if you follow them, you will not follow them with 100% dedication. It will be a burden on your head. You will be doing the task, but you will be considering it as a burden. And if the task becomes burden, professionalism is gone forever. The task should not become a burden for you. Even if you are working 24 by 7, even if you are working for 12 hours, 16 hours consistently without any break, that is fine as long as the task which you are doing, you are loving that task. If you are loving that task, if you think that yes, I am genuinely doing something good, something moral, something ethical, doesn't matter, I will work for 24 hours, even I will work for 48 hours if the company allows me. Because the kind of task that I am doing, it is very good, it is very genuine. Ultimately, it is going to reap huge benefits for all the human beings. Now, why I'm saying all the human beings? Because whatever products the company is manufacturing, ultimately it will go to common people. And if the product manufactured is good, definitely it is going to provide huge benefits to common people. And we are also the part of it. That's why if the company is doing something good, something valuable, something important, if the company is creating new kind of innovation to bring new upliftment in society, that is fine. I will make every type of sacrifice for that kind of task, for the organization. But if I think that the organization is doing something which is not according to my moral values, my ethical values, I am not going to make any sacrifice. It is better you fire me or I will leave the organization myself. Ladies and gentlemen, during any kind of interview, always be honest. The only criteria of qualifying any interview is be honest. Be truthful. Don't make false commitments. Be truthful. And being truthful is the only criteria of achieving success in any kind of interview. And even when someone is asking you a question like this, that are you willing to make sacrifices for the company? Of course, I am willing to make sacrifices for the company. I will follow all the rules and regulations of the company. I will work for 24 hours if the company demands. I will travel to other cities also for accomplishing crucial projects of my organization. If the company wants me to travel, I will do it. I will do every ethical thing that is according to rules and regulations of the organization. But if somewhere I think that something immoral is happening, something illogical is happening, I'm not going to support my organization in that particular thing. It is better I will submit my resignation. It is better I will submit my resignation. Ladies and gentlemen, always be truthful during interviews. Interview is not about impressing the HR. Interview is straight away not about impressing the HR. Interview is about showing your real character, your real educational qualification, your real talent to the HR. That is the real meaning of interview. Because if the person is hiring you, he will provide you certain tasks. If you are able to do that task, only then you will be considered as a good employee of the organization. And while joining any organization, you must have this enthusiasm in your personality that yes, once I get selected, I will do all the great things for my company. I will contribute in every positive manner to the company that I am going to join. But it should be ethical, it should be moral. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, all the organizations are ethical. All the organizations work on moral values, moral principles. That's why it is just a simple question. It is just a simple question which these HRs ask during interview session, that are you willing to make sacrifices? And this is what they expect from the candidate to answer. This is the right answer to this question. I am willing to make every type of sacrifice for my organization. That's why I am joining it. I am joining it with a preset mind that I have to do whatever I can for my organization, for upliftment of my organization, for enhancing the reputation of the organization that I am going to join. I will do everything for it. I will do everything for my company. My company is providing me money, because of which I am able to take care of my family members, my children, my wife. That's why I will show 100% dedication towards the organization for which I am working. But if there is something unethical, I will never be a part of it. If there is something morally wrong, ethically wrong, I'm sorry to say this, I will never be the part of it. This is the most appropriate answer to this particular question. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA. And please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.